The Rove R2-4K car dash cam with up to 2160p resolution for clear images and videos. Lorraine drives to work very fast and sometimes is unable to get a vision of over 50 meters from the car, and sometimes drives through bumpy roads without noticing. She wears glasses and thought of hiring a chauffeur to drive her to work. She could not identify bumps on the road and ended up losing control after hitting on bumps. As she is taking a drink with a friend, the friend introduces to her the R2-4K dash cam. She purposes to buy one and install it on her car. As she was driving that very day, she was amused at how she could notice the bumps from the camera and how it was easy to locate events that were in front of her car, and she was very grateful. She even sent a mail to the organization thanking the organization for providing her with a driving help through R2-4K dash cam.